Alright then, in the previous video we managed to make the comment lists collapsible, and now we're going to work on make votes reflect the visible score immediately. So that means that when I'm clicking on the vote arrows on a post or post or comments, it will immediately add or deduct from the score that is visible, because currently it's not doing that. And actually we need to have a look at the REST client stuff to see if we actually get the vote status on the comment somehow or post somehow, because that would make sense. Oh, but I'm not logged in with this. How can I? Let's have a look. I'll go log it on Reddit on my other browser, and then I'll have a look. Let's see actually if no me like so. Oh, what was that? Let's see, we need to format this somehow, and we'll find an online JSON format. Now, that might actually take a long time. Oh, jeez. I think I just blocked my browser there. No, there we go. Okay. Media embed, separate text. Well, that sucks. Because I don't really see a way to see if I have, because there's clicked, and then there's, what was the other one? Visited. How about if I vote it and then have a look at it again? but that's well, that's kind of a bummer. Well, I just voted the first comment in the chain, and let's try have a look at it again. Here we go. And likes. True. What's that there? What on earth is that? Likes null. Oh jeez. Okay. If I now don't tell me that likes is that's stupid. Why can it be like 1, 0 and -1? It's true, false or null. Fuck you. Oh jeez. Let's have a look. I'll collapse that and then I'll try downvoting that, and then we will try this yet again. Okay, so now I have upvoted the first comment and downvoted the second comment. So the first one is actually the post, then there's likes, true. Okay, so that's the first one. Likes, false. Oh geez, yeah, that's it. Okay, we have the data, but it's in inconvenient format. Let's have a look. We now need to debug a bit. Im up. Okay. Set all buttons. Vote status. Let's first initialize vote status. We need to do it here. So let's see, get likes. Alright, that's one of those types which I had to specifically define for JSON to understand this 3 states stupid boolean, true, false or null. Oh well. And let's see, liked. Let's go to the like type. What is like? Okay, boolean liked. Boolean is false. Liked. Okay. Deserialize. If it's false. Not false, not true, try number. Oh, Jesus Christ, it might be number 2. Okay. But it actually might be null also. Okay, so wow. Private. Oh boy. Okay, so by default, oh boy. Oh, yeah. It seems that if it's not false and it's not true, oh Jesus. You know what? We are just going to get rid of that. Oh, right, it's in the library. And it's the Reddit engine, source, and data type. Like type. So we are going to get rid of that boolean. And by default, it's 0. Okay. But we never probably need to serialize this. Thank God. But let's do it anyway. So if light is smaller than 0, primitive, what the bloody hell is this? Okay. Okay, if it's smaller than 0, then return false. If it's bigger than 0, then return true. And what I'm doing now is actually kind of hard to explain, because to explain what I'm doing now, I would need to explain the way JSON handles data types that it cannot understand by default. This is a custom data type for JSON, and I'm not going into details how. Okay, so that's not. Okay, how about so? Is that fine? Yeah, I guess so. So yeah, it would be a bit laborsome to explain this. If you ever work with JSON and some weird data types, then yeah, you're gonna run into this, but it's too laborsome to explain. Okay. And on this side, let's actually go like so. If raw equals true, then let's see, return light is one. Else if row equals false, large is -1, and else if it's null, it's 0, and if everything else fails, try to pass it as integer, so apparently it can't be that too. Okay, and then let's add an accessor for get like so, and let's add also the setter. Okay, there we go. Jesus. Okay, so vote status, and now it's actually simple. Vote status if E is liked, get liked. Okay, and then we need to set the buttons to correct orientation. Okay, let's see if it works. So what I did, I just modified the library itself a bit to change the type that the liked type is in, and that should now enable us to actually see if we have previously liked or not liked something. So, and that's, oh Jesus, crash. Okay, so I think we messed something up in the liked type. What's the problem here? This will be terribly slow. Oh, I should have gone to some comment chain with less comments, I guess. Ooh. It's actually kinda annoying to debug libraries. Well, it's not hard when you set it up, but I don't think I have proper setup for debugging that library at the moment. So let's think what actually happens here. It might crash there to a number format exception, or I don't think we should be calling this at all ever. There's one more possibility. if you stop here. That's so slow. I'm going to launch it again and start it in some other thread that has less comments. Oh, we got here. Okay, lights. Oh, it actually. It might be null also. Okay, fine. So yeah, that was actually kind of what I was thinking about. So okay, that's null. Then mode status is 0. Else do that thing. And let's launch it again. Come on, today, load it, damn it. Oh wow, that's slow. Come on now. I think I'll go to some smaller subreddit to find. Oh, actually, here we go. Here we are. Okay, get likes, that's null. Most of this 0. So buttons. Okay, let's see if we can finally find something which actually has light status. Let's go to some smaller subreddit. No, where's my... Alright, I'm not logged in even here. Boy. Okay, now we are at least logged in. let's motorcycles is, they don't have all that many comments usually. Cloned input stream found mod has blah blah blah. That's actually doing kinda suspiciously a lot of work right here. Well, now it's stuck in the UI thread. Oh boy, how come this is so damn slow? I really need to do some profiling and figure out why it's so slow. Okay, so let's upload that. Yeah, I know that part works. It's fine. And downvote that. Sorry guys, that's why you get random downvote on shit, because there's asshole developers like me just randomly voting your posts without any reason or reading. Yeah, I'll fix that. I'll upload that afterwards. And that's not very good that it's actually fetching so long, even on the just fetching the data so long. That's not really good. I'm not quite sure what it's doing. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, at least we found some place. Okay, there's one liked and one not liked. And now we will wait for it to actually render that. Fuck the debugger. We know we are no longer crashing at least, so no need for that anymore. Beautiful. Okay, so now we actually, I just loaded this thread where I previously, damn that glare, I previously upvoted the first one and downvoted the second one, and yep, it seems to work fine now. And let's see, I'll downvote now, I mean upvote the one I just downvoted. Then I'll go back to this list here, and I'll go to the thread where I actually did the voting, and let's see what happens. First one is red, and second one is orange red. Good. Okay, that works now fine. That's very nice. And let's do the same operation for also the posts or links, because that's just for comments. So let's find list item comment link link list item. I think that's it. Subreddit. Yeah, that's it. That. Do the. Do the actual vote buttons actually work for English fragments? Do they actually work for at all here? That's weird. Let's see. Downvote, upvote, no vote. Oh yeah, that's one more thing I want to see if it's actually working for the no votes, the null. Let's see. Good, it works for that also. But now, list items, link details. Yeah, this is it. So, okay, set date, set vote buttons. Let's have a look in the comment list item to clone what we actually just did here. So let's just copy this whole init vote status to link details, and we'll just put it there. And we have data. Comment date. Is it comment date? Details. Link details. Date. Set vote buttons. So actually we already have that there, so we can actually replace that with init vote status in data. Right. It has to be actually and we will change these two in data. And this actually might work straight out of the box like that. Ooh, sorry about that. Let's see. And I'm so confident. Oh shit, fuck. I'm sorry. I've had this stupid overlay of my own face here for God knows how long. Sorry. I sometimes just forget to switch back to this coding view. Okay, let's see. So I'll go to, let's see, this post, and I vote it. I go back and I go again to it. Right, we actually might not have that's actually in this case we need to do a bit of a trickery here. On upvotes, on send votes, we will actually want to touch all data, get data set liked, get likes, like a type, and lt set liked vote status, right? And then mdata get data set likes lt. That's actually I think that's actually the same instance still, but so there's actually probably no need for that last line, but let's see. I hope that's the same instance we are sending around and we are not making copies of it anywhere. It would make our lives a bit easier. Let's see. I'll just open the first link. Upvote. Upvote. Hooray, Monodont has crashed. Shit. Let's try that again. No. Okay. Right. If LG is null, then LG is new line. Type. Don't tell me it's static. No. Or rather, private or private constructor or something. Yeah, that's fine. Did I hit debug or did I hit? Shit, I think I hit debug. I'm just going to run it again to save some time. And here we go. We'll just go to the first link. We'll upvote that. Oh, we don't? Ah, yeah, we know that works. Forget about that. Go back, and then we open that again. Come on. Shit. Somehow we actually forget that vote status in there. That's annoying. Is this actually a copy of? I'm wondering if Java is actually making a copy of that. I can't remember how Java propagates instances. Does it actually copy it there or not? Is it copy on write? What the hell is happening here? I can't remember. Well, let's have another look. So I'll upvote it now. Come on now. There. Then I'll refresh my front page. Which is kind of slow because I didn't let the comment list loading finish. I should probably do something about that and let it make it cancelable. I don't have time for that. Well, fork. That's not good. Okay, I'll go to the first link. Yeah. Okay, at least it works so that it's updated after we have updated it from the server, but that's ever so slightly annoying that it won't show up as voted if you go back from, if you change your vote here, go back and then come back immediately. But I'm not going to stress too much about that right now. What I'm going to do is to make the actual vote reflect the vote we have given it. Let's do it first for the link details. And what is the way to do this? We want to do it every time. Upvote, downvote. It's probably actually best to do in the set vote buttons, because that's where we are actually using it. And let's think about it. We know the vote status. At this point there will be certain score, and our vote status will be 1, 0 or -1. And if we change it to 0, it was 1, like if it was our just posted post, it will be automatically liked by us, and the score will be 1. So if we now downvote it, it should go to -1, and our vote should be -1. Yeah, this is actually pretty easy. We don't need to do any kind of weird hashing if we had voted right now and changed the score, or if it was changed earlier. So yeah, that's pretty nifty. And set vote buttons. Let's see, -1, 0, blah blah blah, and we can actually, what's the name of the component? Ow. Let's see. That's actually annoying that we are only using one field for that whole thing, so we need to recreate that meta text each time. Let's see, how is it called? Let's see. Create meta. That's fine. But in this instance, fuck. We really don't need to. We need to change it when. Oh crap! I'm having a brain fart. So when we actually load it for the first time, the actual score will be right and it will already contain a vote. But if we now change our vote, we will send it to server, but our local data is not yet updated. Maybe Huh. Maybe in send votes. If our vote status is 1 and it was 1 already, no, then we are not sending it. Are we? Status. God damn. Damn. We actually want to change it only when it actually changes. Old vote status. Oh fuck. Ah boy. Yeah, I know how to do this. What we are going to do is we are going to add a stupid previous vote status here. And that will be also 0. And where is it changed? It's changed in send vote, I think. Okay. Damn, this is hard. Okay, where's the send votes? And this was actually useless. This didn't work. So I'm just going to remove this. And here, just before we send it to server, oh, shit, that's a clutch. I will. So previous status plus status. So if it was -1, okay, first of all, if previous vote status is not vote status, so if the vote has changed, then the change is, let's see, if it was -1, we change it to 0. No, if it was 1 and we change it to -1. That's 0. No, this doesn't work at all. I'm feeling stupid. I'm having a huge block. It's really easy. If it changes from one to 0, then we need to previous is 1, we change it to 0. What is wrong with my head? So -1 plus 0 is -1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus minus 1 is 0. Fuck! What is wrong with me? How about why is it so difficult? I think I'm doing something absolutely stupid here. It can't be so hard. Just the difference between the damn previous vote status and the new vote status. Do I have to make a logic table out of this? Man, I feel absolutely like an idiot. So, let's see. If previous status is -1 and new status is 0, we need to change it by 1. We need to increase it by 1, right? Okay. And if it's -1, and that's then we increase it by 2. I feel like I'm doing something really stupid here. If it's 0 and vote status is -1, then we need to change it by -1. Previous 0 and then vote status 1, we need to increase it by 1 if previous status is -1 and that's 0, then we will add 1. Previous status is 1 and that's no, we are doing the same thing again. 1, so then that's -1 and that's -2. Now I feel like a complete fucking idiot. What I'm doing here, it's quite obvious. It's just a difference between these numbers. Why can't I add these stupid I'm a fucking idiot. Previous status -1. Okay, then add 1. Yeah, that's fine. That's 0, -1. Yeah, that's 0, 1, 1. That's 0. Yeah, I think that will do, but that feels. Let's just add a to-do. What the fuck am I doing here? Yeah, sometimes. I'm not very good at math, apparently. Oh, jeez, that's actually quite embarrassing. It feels horrible. Oh, jeez. And let's put that into a function. Adjust meter. Like so. Does it even work? Okay, that's 2686. Oh. Ah, so slow. Okay. 26. Doesn't even fucking work. Alright, I forgot you. Like so. Oh, jeez. Two 19089. Okay, that works fine. Then it should go to 80. No, yeah, 88. Okay. It works, but I feel like a complete fucking idiot. I mean, for sure, there's a simple one-line goddamn way to do this stupid truth table. I feel horrible. Oh man, And let's do more evil shit and copy paste this function to comment list item. We should probably have like a shared ancestor for these classes where I should put these because they're so similar. Find views, data, init vote, stars, create media. Where's the on send votes? There we go. And previous. Let's probably that, and we'll call that from here. Just need I feel horrible. I feel like a horrible person for making this function. I feel like I should like immediately send this to what's his face? Not coding horror, but the other guy. The daily what the fuck. Why is it so slow again? Okay, so let's have a look if it works for the comments. 45, 44, 43, 45, yep. Whew, that works fine. Okay, is the whole requirements for this issue, have they been fulfilled? When user up or down votes, the score should be adjusted immediately to give the user feedback. Yeah. Color the vote hours per user voting. Okay. Targeted 4030. And what's the time? It's 5. I feel like I've had enough for the day, because when I'm starting to do or make those stupid thinking problems, or I'm having problems thinking things like this, I really need to step back and just try to think again what is the thing I'm actually solving here. And this is exactly the kind of thing that I usually then accidentally solve the next night, or the next Sunday, Monday night. I will have a dream about it, and in the when I wake up in the morning, I'm like totally clear of what I should have been doing all the time. But yeah, these are the silly little things, the salt of the earth and bane of my existence. But yeah, look at that, that's horrible. We are going to come back to this next time maybe, and we will fix this. That's unacceptable at the moment. But yeah, I think that's like everything I want to show to you this time. Well, we didn't quite make the release 030, and I'm not going to release this yet. I want to have a bit more content in the release, and let's also, just to hell of it, let's update this milestone and set its date to like maybe Sunday. Do I have anything in this weekend? I don't think so. Let's continue working on this tomorrow maybe. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye.